Hi beauties, welcome back. I am back with another skincare product, which name is Iunik CENTELLA Green Fresh Cleansing Oil. It's a lightweight, moisturizing daily cleansing oil that is not only for removing makeup, also calming, controls sebum production, and cleanses pores. This oil cleanser is great as a first cleanse to remove sunscreen, makeup, dead skin, and other various elements that your skin got exposed to during the day. It is available in 200 ml with $17.59. It smells like the delicate scent of Centella asiatica. It's enriched with natural plant-based ingredients that nourish and protect your skin, leaving it feeling fresh, smooth, and glowing, whether applied first thing in the morning or before bed at night. Plant oil contained stay moisturizing after face washing. Let's talk about its key ingredients. It contains centella oil, which effectively skin calming and anti-inflammatory, and aroma seed oil, regulating sebum secretion and pore care. Soybean oil, prevent moisture and nutrition loss. Sunflower seed oil, moisturizes the skin to avoid dryness. Jojoba seed oil, intensive care for pore and oil balance with vitamins A, E, and omega-9 fat. Texture of this cleanser is light-weighted. It has no artificial fragrances, only has natural essential oil aroma, no artificial colorings, only natural ingredients applied. How to apply. Pump 2 to 3 times in dry palm. Massage the skin until the makeup completely dissolved. Rinse 2 to 3 times with lukewarm water. Final thought. I am absolutely loving the Centella Green Fresh Cleansing Oil. Its thicker consistency gives it a luxurious feel, akin to olive oil, and the herbal scent is refreshing. What sets this cleansing oil apart is its gentle formula that doesn't irritate or burn the eyes. A rarity among cleansing oils. It effectively removes makeup, sebum, and impurities, leaving my skin feeling fresh and clean. I highly recommend it for all skin types. Remember to apply it to dry skin, massage, emulsify with water, and rinse for best results.